I don't give a damn where you get the information as long as you get it. I don't want you coming to me because I ain't your fucking guru. Don't come to me looking for me to help you to find your spiritual path. I don't want you kneeling at my feet, bowing to me, tapping your ankh on the fucking ground. I don't want none of that dumb shit. Because if you follow Negroes like that, then you deserve everything you get from being another mental form of slave. Thinking that you need somebody to resurrect them higher than yourself as a guide. You are God. And if you can't teach yourself that every day by sitting in the mirror and adoring the reflection that you see, then you got a problem. You got a serious problem.